Welcome to the AI Product-a-thon kickoff. We're going to see what this event is all about, along with how does it work, what product ideas do you get to work on in these 2 weeks, and the way forward. How do you get started on this? So, what exactly is this event? AI Quotient is a platform which is committed to improving the AI quotient for people who are interested in the world of AI. And here we are trying to build a community of people who have ideas, who want to build solutions to solve real world problems using AI. And this event is geared towards giving you that hands on experience of turning your ideas into reality. And you get to pick from five product ideas, right? You be creative in coming up with solutions for these problems. You work under a time constraint of 2 weeks that lets you prioritize what is the scope of the initial version of your product. And then you be collaborative. You get to participate in teams where some of you might focus on front end development, some of you might focus on machine learning model building, and some of you might focus on the back end. And the whole focus here is to deliver something at the end of this productathon, which you can share with your users within your network, gather feedback, and then using that feedback to further improve your product and the models running your product. Right? So this is how it will work. First, you get to pick one of the five ideas, which I'm going to explain, and then you are going to figure out what is the best way, what is the technology stack that you are comfortable with that will help you execute the solution to these problem statements. And then you are going to get support from the mentor pool at AI Quotient. You'll be part of a Slack channel through which you can frequently collaborate, get your queries addressed, or gain knowledge on the areas that you are not really comfortable with. Right? And then finally, at the end of 2 weeks, you're going to build a small product demo that will be evaluated by an expert panel, and we'll be announcing the winners at the end of these 2 weeks. Now, how will this product demo look like? It is simple. All it takes is a simple UI. So here is a demo for a video search engine, right? You can just search for something like cost function, right? And in the back end, a machine learning model will give you recommendations of videos that match the search string. That's simple UI. Whatever complexity is in the machine learning backend, it is going to be demonstrated through the UI. Right? So this is the main idea of this AI product. You get to build products which have a demo like this at the end of these 2 weeks. And these are the product ideas, right? You get to build a stock market predictor that will predict how the stock market is going to behave in the coming days. Again, you're going to use live data using Quandl APIs, using Google APIs, Yahoo APIs to gather the stock market data. Nice, simple app that will tell the stock market trends. Right? You also get to choose a book recommendation engine, all the book lovers among you. Right? If you want to build a book recommendation engine, just like a movie recommendation engine, how will you go about doing that? Right? Build a Q&A chatbot. Here we are building a chatbot that is going to look at a textbook, right? It is going to learn the textbook, and then whenever you ask a question from this textbook, it is going to come up with an answer, right? And then you're also going to build a fake image detector, and then probably the most interesting idea, you get to choose a celebrity, analyze his tweets, and then create a nice dashboard that explains how many of his tweets are positive, negative, what are the key entities referred in the tweet, what are the causes that the celebrity is interested in, right? Create a nice dashboard like how you see in this template here, right? Like positive reviews, negative reviews, bad reviews, all these things, right? So you get to analyze that as one of those projects. And for more details about the project, do drop an email to our support team. Right, so this is the way forward. Choose a product idea, form a team, fill out the product SOP. Basically, we're going to send you an email once you register for this event, right, in which you need to mention the team name and the product idea that you're going to work on in the technology stack. And then we'll be sending you the Slack channel details, work on the idea for 2 weeks, and finally demo the final solution. All the best for any of you who are interested in taking part in this